Hello, I'm Rachel Tucker. I am a singer and actress. My top 3 tips for someone in training. You have got to be as open, receptive, sponge-like as you possibly can. Secondly, in training for me, I think is vital is your fellow actors around you. Use them, respect them. Everyone seems to be in it for themselves, which to a certain extent we are. But we are a community at the end of the day. We are unlike any other type of business. And I need my fellow actor as much as I need myself. I think it's so undersaid. The self-awareness you have when you're in training for that thing specifically, to be generous, to be open. There are things you will not want to do when you're training. Suck it up, take it in. Third, I would have to say, aim higher than what you think is possible. Tap into those scary places. Dig deeper than you think you can go. Love it. Support each other. Dig deep and really try and enjoy what you do for a living. My top 3 tips for someone auditioning. Read the email, reread it again, printed off the documents, got my husband to check, have I printed off all the right documents? A rookie error, big time. I've lost out on jobs by not printing off the right material. Tip number 2, the first time you read the script, read it as neutrally as possible. You will get so much more from it, even if you know the plot, you know the character, the story. Try and have a clear mind, very neutral read. Tip number 3, I would have to say, don't underestimate the amount of hours it takes to prepare for your audition. I have a 6-year-old son, and he is sometimes not very happy at how long Mummy is spending on work. Be a bit selfish, not too selfish, but be selfish with your time for this script, for your audition, for your time prep. I promise you it will work.